Okay, now that we have our collision detection with also sounds, we get to add the score to our screen. So we are going to create a label, self label, label score, equal to label node, that will be 0, and then we are going to put our font, that will be Futura, and maybe 40, and then we are gonna write parent equals self, and after we created our label, we are going to put the self label score position dot position equal the self dot size width, the width of the screen is /2, so that appears in the middle, and the self dot size dot height -40, so that doesn't go out of the screen. And then we are going to put the self score, the initial score, to 0, and then we are going to make the change of the score here when there is a collision inside collision detection. So self score plus equal 10 each time, and then the self label score dot text will be updated to the string of self score. Okay, because if you don't put as a string, it gives an error. So let's see if it works. There is the 0 up there, and you see that it is incrementing when you make the collision with each coin, and so it goes everything right